In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and zoom out in FigJam. Whether you're brainstorming with a team or reviewing a board on your own, controlling your zoom makes a huge difference in how clearly you can see and organize information. These basics will help you stay focused during workshops and keep your ideas organized as the canvas grows. First, open your FigJam file so you're on the canvas. After it loads, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where the zoom controls live. You'll see a small toolbar with a minus icon, a plus icon, and a percentage that tells you exactly how far in or out you are. To zoom in, simply click the plus icon in that bottom right corner. Each click brings you closer, so take it one step at a time and watch the percentage value increase. As you zoom in, the canvas scales smoothly around the center of your current view, which keeps your focus area front and center. Use a few clicks to get close enough to read smaller text, follow connectors, or fine-tune details without straining your eyes. If you go too far in, that's okay. Just tap the minus icon to dial it back to a comfortable level. To zoom out, click the minus icon. Every click pulls the camera back and reveals more of the board, which is perfect when you want an overview of your sections, frames, and sticky clusters. Zooming out helps you regain context, find where you are on a large board, and plan your next move. If you feel like you've pulled back a bit too much, switch to the plus icon and nudge the view back in. A couple of orientation tips while you're adjusting your view. Keep an eye on the percentage readout so you always know your current zoom. Around 100% is a good, natural working level on many screens, while lower percentages like 50 or 25% are great for big picture planning. When you're presenting or collaborating live, make small deliberate adjustments so teammates can follow along without losing their place. And that's really it. Open your board, use the plus icon to zoom in when you need detail, and use the minus icon to zoom out when you need context. With those two controls in the bottom right corner, you'll move around FigJam confidently and keep your work clear, readable, and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching and happy brainstorming!